these companies are currently hiring transcriptionists. So we're going to look at them so that you can put in your application. Remember, as a transcriptionist, you need to type at least 40 to 50 or 60 words per minute as your typing speed. So we're going to look at these companies, and if you think you can do them and you're in the location they're looking for, please send in your application. So the first company we're going to look at is called 3Play Media. 3Play Media is currently hiring. So it says, to be a good transcriptionist, you need to meet the following qualifications: excellent written communication skills, excellent command of English grammar and punctuation, proficiency with internet research and reference resources, ability to manage projects and work independently, must be at least 18 years old. So if you're ready, you come here and send in your application. Okay, so they will also obtain a background check for all US-based applicants. Completion of this background check is required prior to starting work with 3Play. Please note, we are only interested in receiving applicants from individuals who are interested in performing the services themselves. Please do not apply on behalf of another person. They don't permit the selling or subcontracting of their contract work. Alright, so if you're interested in this one and you qualify, please send in your application. The pay rate for 3Play Media is between $17 to $28 per audio hour. No, it's between $18 to $30 per hour. Alright, so if you're interested, go and sign up and see if you get hired. Again, try and get your certification, because most of these companies pay more. They pay more for certified transcriptionists. There are online certifications for you to gain your certification so that you earn more money while working as a transcriptionist. Again, for your typing speed, there are free typing lessons online that you can sign up to, and some of them charge you a little money, so there's no need, there's no problem in you paying a little money to get certified. Okay, the second one we're going to look at is Veritext. So Veritext are looking for transcriptionists, and is strictly remote. Remember, the importance or the value or the good part of working as a transcriptionist is that you get to work remotely, you get to work from the comfort of your home, you get to choose your own time, you get to work as a freelancer. So they specialize in transcription for the insurance and legal industries. They are work from home transcriptionists, transcribe recorded audio files for some of the largest providers in the country. This means a sizable and steady workflow that satisfies transcription contracts of many types and sizes. Remember, the work of a transcriptionist is simply to listen to and transcribe audio files into words. Okay, so you need a laptop or a phone, you need a headset, sometimes you need a foot pedal. Okay, so the reason why you need to sign up for this one is that if you're looking for ongoing freelance transcription jobs and a great engaged team to be a part of, they could be a great fit. So as an independent contractor transcriptionist, you decide how much you work and work on your schedule. In addition to a robust community network, their responsive support team is focused on your success, and they are happy to have you, and they will help you every step of the way. Okay, so what you need to work with them, okay, so come here and send in your application. So for this particular one, they're currently hiring people in the US. I have subscribers in the US, not only in Nigeria and Africa. so for people in the US, you can send in your application. So this is the application form and the steps you need to take. Fill in your name, your details. However, I was trying to check for Nigeria, and then I entered my Nigerian number, and it went through. I'm not sure why. Possibly they're hiring, but there are other countries on the drop down list, which means they are taking from anywhere. I'm not really sure about that, but that's Nigeria there. Also, drop your resume. A lot of you don't have resumes. I wonder how you intend to get jobs when you don't have resume. Get a resume and attach it to all your applications, even the ones that don't require you to, that says it is optional. Make sure you attach a resume. So how much experience do you have? You put it there. Although you don't need any experience whatsoever, but if you have experience in transcription, make sure you add it there to give you advantage. The reason I talked about certification is because of this advantage thing that we're talking about. If you have certification, it gives you advantage over others. So you put your current employment status. What is your average word per minute? So you put your average word per minute. Go and improve on your typing speed. Go online and search for, I've shared one before, I can't really remember it now, but it's in one of my videos where you can go and learn how to type, improve on your typing speed. And then fill in all that you need. And you must also have a PC, that's a Windows PC or laptop. And then enter the operating system. So fill in everything, and this is a typing test. Go here and do the typing test. It's called typing.com. Do the typing test. You get a certificate there. It's free of charge. Get a certificate. I've shared it before, typing.com. And then upload it here. This will show them that you're really good at this. It will give you advantage. And then you submit your application. They pay between $17 to $28 per audio hour, and they require you to have at least 75 words per minute or speed. So they also pay certified transcriptionists, increase the rate of 30%. So this is why I keep advising you guys to get certification. Take on those online courses, pay a little money, $14, get your certification so that you get increased payment rates. All right. So for this one, like I said, you need a laptop, and then make sure you have a headset. There are also softwares that can help you transcribe words. All you need to do is put in the document you're asked to work on, and that software will help you transcribe your words. So if you're interested, send in your application. You never know, you might get hired. So this one is two bonuses that I'm going to give you guys today. This one is called Verbit. So they are currently looking for legal transcriber, freelance, legal transcriptionist full-time. So they're looking for transcribers, captioners for US based, but it's remote as well. You work from the comfort of your home. If you're in the US, go and sign up for this one. All right, it's like today, this video is mostly for my US subscribers. Again, this last one is called Speechmatics.com, and they are based in England, Cambridge, England, United Kingdom. So they are cutting-edge applied AI research company that is breaking down cultural barriers, harnessing the power of speech. They are looking for an experienced machine learning engineer who can help them advance their automatic speech recognition. So An average day might include working on scaling self-supervised learning models across hundreds of GPUs in the cloud and lots more. They aim to get you on board and started on something like this in your first few days. So if you want to join their team, you want to learn more about speech recognition and representational learning, if you are result driven, like moving fast and keeping things simple, go and look at them and send in your application. So they said they don't just open the door to diversity, they actively welcome it. Why? Because they believe every unique voice adds something special to their team. So go and look at their website at speechmatics.com and send in your application. This is where you send in you write your details, your application form, attach your resume, and attach your cover letter, your LinkedIn profile, and how you heard about them. Make sure you input that you heard it from. And the demographic questions, make sure you answer those ones as well. And submit your application and see if you get hired. For people in the UK as well, check them out. They're hiring. Look at them and see if you have the qualifications they're looking for. And that will do it for this particular video, as we're going to end it here. If you have learned something today, please subscribe to the channel, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.